In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to label your emails. You can simply mark your email messages on your Google account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Gmail. On this page, tap on these three lines right here. Scroll down onto the option of Create New. Add a label name and it will get created successfully. The file will always appear right here. To label or mark your emails, you will have to long hold on any email message. Then tap on these three dots. Select Label. Then mark to your already created file. And it will get labeled successfully. That's how easy it is to label your email messages on Gmail. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.